Need to permanently delete your ManyChat account? The process involves three crucial steps: exporting your data, closing your bots, and then requesting account deletion from ManyChat support. First, export all necessary data such as subscriber information, conversation logs, and bot analytics via the Settings, Data, and Privacy section of your dashboard. Ensure you download everything you need in your preferred format like JSON or CSV. Next, deactivate your bot by navigating to Settings, General, Deactivate Bot. Choose the permanent closure option to stop all interactions. Finally, contact ManyChat support through their help center or via email at support@manychat.com to formally request the account deletion. Remember, this process is irreversible, and all your data, bots, and integrations will be permanently removed. Before deleting, closing bots only pauses interactions and doesn't immediately delete data. ManyChat retains data unless explicitly removed, aligning with GDPR and data portability rights. After deactivation, bots cannot be reopened after 30 days. Looking ahead, privacy is a major trend, with platforms integrating zero-trust models and end-to-end encryption for data exports. Future tools may include automated data anonymization and one-click export and delete options. Expect AI-driven compliance assistants that automatically handle data export and deletion based on user triggers. The current support-assisted deletion process reflects the platform's commitment to data control and regulatory compliance.